Let's take a look into these systems using a Python example. So the goal is to construct a prediction filter for Iron Maiden Aces high speech intro of order L equals to 10, which minimizes the mean squared prediction error. So once again, we are using LibRosa to load audio, NumPy to have some mathematical manipulations, Matplotlib and plot. Here we are loading Aces high introduction. We're doing some normalization, and here we can listen. This original signal looks like. Now we can make X a matrix, and then we transpose it, what we're doing here, and we are also constructing our matrix A from X. So this is what we're doing here. Then we're constructing our desired target signal D, one sample in the future. We start with the first 10 samples already in the prediction filter, and the 11th sample is the first to be predicted. And this is what we're doing here. And here we're computing the prediction filter. So we have here coefficients of our prediction filter. So when we plot the impulse response of our prediction filter, we get this plot here. Then our prediction filter with the delay in the encoder becomes this here. The predicted values are now obtained by applying these coefficients as an FIR filter. So we are using SciPy signal L filter. We're applying the X original signal, here are the filter coefficients, and we can plot the predicted values on top of the original signal values, and we can see how accurate our prediction is. We have this waveform here.